if you're new, and welcome back if you've been here before. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification. So last night what I did was I got some water in my ice cubes. If you're fancy and you have an ice maker, you could totally do that. And I went ahead and brewed my coffee last night so it would be nice and cool to the touch. I left it out on my counter in this ball jar. It's a 1 quart wide mouth ball jar. You can get it at Walmart or really anywhere. But basically I just wanted it to be nice and fresh for today. You can have syrup as if you want. You can just add taste with the syrup, but it's absolutely optional and not necessary, and it tastes really good without it too. And then your creamer. I use sugar-free for both my flavor and my my creamer. So last night, like I said, I did the ice and I did my coffee. This is 3 coffee pods in my Keurig on the highest level. Just put it in there, pop the top on it, sit it on the counter, and it's ready to go in the morning. So I keep my plastic cups from Starbucks, McDonald's, or whatnot because it works great and it's easy. So, by the way, you can wash these in your dishwasher if you have it on a low temperature setting. Just a little life hack. So what you do is you fill your cup with ice. And literally these big cups, they take about a full tray of ice. Again, you may have an ice maker or you may buy bags of ice. That's definitely enough because our coffee is not cold, but you can use hot coffee, but you would need more ice, and it makes it a little more watered down. Also, I feel like if you make it overnight and let it sit, it makes the coffee taste a little stronger, and it tastes a little better, in my opinion. Totally up to you. So, what you'll do, this again is optional, is you take a little splash, a little splash of syrup, doesn't take much. And then I like a little coffee with my creamer. So I put my creamer into about that bottom section here. I don't know if you can see it. Or bottom line, as my daughter is saying. And then you try to test your strength and open your coffee that you closed last night. I'm stronger than I thought. And it's Monday, and you totally need coffee on Mondays, or at least I do. Mondays are my nemesis. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with that one. And make a mess sometimes. So you get your coffee and just pour it in. And make a mess like me if you'd like. And then grab a straw. Just kidding, I don't even have all this ready. Just grab a straw and mix it up. I am making a total mess. I normally am not this messy, and I'm not even nervous. So I don't know what the deal is. Just mix it up. Coming up, we're going to do a Who Did It Better taste challenge, where I'm going to get the girls to try McDonald's versus Mom's. Alright girls, so they're here and they're going to do the taste challenge. One is McDonald's and one is home. So they're going to say which one they like the best and if they can tell much of a difference. Also, you can make these variations like you would get at Starbucks or whatnot for a whole lot more money. Also, for strength of coffee, you can use whatever strength you like. Like, I like House Blend because I like the flavor of coffee, but I also like breakfast blends and things like that, Donut Shop or whatever that are a little less potent. Okay, so we're gonna taste this one first. Kaylee, can I have your straw? All right, here you go. Right here. Okay. All right. Here's one. Okay. And here's 2. You had the red, right, Kaylee? Okay. Okay, which one was better?
The first one. The first one.
Yay! That's our coffee made at home. So, can I get a 2 thumbs up from these 2 girls who tried it out? Yay!
This one, that one was gross. This one is like not enough sugar. This one's good.
So, Mom even beat McDonald's and has sugar
Wait, which
free.
one's mine? Which one's mine?
Hey y'all, so I'm back and it's later in the afternoon. I'm still looking like a hot mess, but it is like over 90 degrees today, so it's super, super hot. The kids devoured that iced coffee, so we're about to make a frozen one since they're not here. Same setup, same situation. That you remember that big iced coffee we made, and our cooled coffee, I said hot earlier, but it's cooled coffee. We have this much left, so we used about half of it, so we could make almost 3 drinks probably, depending. So we're gonna make an ice one. Basically the same setup. You just put your ice in a blender, or here I'm just using a Ninja, and you do the exact same thing. Again, a recycled cup. I'm all about some recycled cups. And we're just gonna put a little bit of syrup in. A little bit of sugar-free creamer. Maybe I won't make a mess this time. Fingers crossed. Ah, I'm so strong. Man, I shut that thing where I can't open it every time. Ah. Then pour it in. So that's probably good, and we still have some left. Put the lid on and hold your ears. It might be loud. Are you ready for this? And blend it up. Alright. Grab your cup. And hopefully you have a blender or something a little better than what I have. This just happens to be what I have. And if I were 100% with you guys, my husband mostly uses this to mix up carp bait. For those of you that don't know what carp bait is, oh, well, it didn't blend it up very well, did it? Did not work very well. But if you have a blender, it would work so much better. Okay, so what carp bait is? Ah! It's inevitable. I've got to make messes. It's real life, guys. Real life.
I want to tell you what carp bait is.
So my youngest daughter wants to tell you what carp bait is. Well, I clean up this mess. Jeez, Louise. Just say it out loud. You can just say it. Just say what it is. Okay. Well, she wants to come into the video. My youngest Katie, because she missed out earlier on the taste challenge because she is not a big fan of.
I only like my mom
coffee.
I only like my mom.
Anyway, guys, other than making a mess, these are awesome. Nice and cool. On a crazy day. Yours is going to work better than mine just because, like I say, he blends up crazy things in this, and this doesn't work as well as your blender would.
Carp bait is what you use for fishing.
Carp is a type of fish.
Yeah, and your bait.
Yes, and he likes to make bait and mix up all kind of concoctions and things, which is all edible. So he's not putting like chemicals or anything in there. It's all edible flavorings and such. But anyway, so other than my messes, which are just truly real life,
and I'm gonna help you with the rest.
Yeah, it's super easy. Super reasonable. I'm making like 3 coffees out of this, and I'm saving tons of money. Thrifting and saving money is part of my DNA. I mean, it is part of my genetic makeup. So if you're interested in saving money or life hacks, or
I'm crazy about life hacks.
Yeah, she loves life hacks, or thrifting hauls or whatnot, stay tuned. If nothing else, hang out for the laughs and the messes. I mean, come on. Be sure to subscribe
and click that notification bell so you know when we post all new videos.
What she said. And we'll see you again. Have a great day.
And like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.